Hey YouTube, what is up? Got a great video for you today. Welcome back to the channel, Big Vern's Moto Life. We are gonna reveal the street glide that we've been working on. Gonna show it to you. Gonna go through a few things in the garage. As you can see, it is a beautiful day today. Motorcycles are out. Everything is popping today. Let's get this thing going. Let's go. Fellas, it wouldn't be right if I didn't get the Ram pickup in the background. You guys see that thing is rolling right now. If you saw the last video, then you saw we revealed that to you. We're gonna show you a few more things about that also. But guys, let's get this day started. I'm excited. All right, fellas, before we get this day started, I got something in the mail today. Let's check it out. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what it is, all right? All right, I am back. Just unboxed that gift that I got in the mail today. Let's check it out and see what we got. We are officially about to start the revolution, guys. Let's show you what we got. You can see the badass baggers right there, and then you're gonna roll over here and check out that Road King Mafia short sleever right there. Loving the muscle shirt, and I'm also loving that. Want to say a big thank you to Road King Mafia and Badass Baggers. Guys, I'm going to drop a link. We are going to start a revolution right now. You guys are going to go to Badass Baggers and Road King Mafia on YouTube. You're going to subscribe to that channel. We're going to blow those guys up. Hey, if you are on a bagger, there is no way you should not be without some of this merch right here. I'm going to zoom back in on it again, guys. You can see that Badass Baggers and that Road King Mafia right there. Again, we are going to put them on blast. Thank you guys out there. Appreciate the love right there. But we're gonna rock that gear, and I want to see you guys out there on it. All right, so without further delay, let's get this day started off Big Vern style. Got my man Jerry in the background with me from JLH Choppers. We're gonna work on these bags and get this thing ready to reveal to you today. Also, we're gonna put that console cover back on and a few more things. Check it out. All right, so we just installed that console right there, guys. As you can see, look at that. I'm gonna spin on the other side so you can check that out. Man, look at that. That is a JLH Choppers custom painted console, guys. You can see it looks professional. Wow. Let's keep this build going. All right, fellas, you see we are almost done. We have got the bags ready. We've already put the console on. We're gonna finish up a few other things, but I want you to check out these bags right there. Look at the custom paint job on that. I hope that camera is doing it justice. I'm gonna zoom on the other side, but those things look really, really good. We are gonna install them. You see how we got my man Jerry in the background. Hey, JLH Choppers, hit him up, guys. He is ready to take you on. I hear the siren in the background, but it's all good. That's part of summertime. We're gonna keep moving though, all right? But guys, don't forget, hit up JLH Choppers. One more look at those bags. Sweet. All right, so YouTube, it is officially over now. We are shutting the show down. This is the reveal of the street glide that we just got finished with, guys. I'm gonna zoom in on that and let you check that out. We're gonna show you a few of the mods that were done to the bike right quick. You can see we painted the front, that murdered that front out with that all black, and then you're gonna come up and see that Wolverine style paint job that we touched up and really knocked it out. Got that Lucille all black also with the Daymaker headlight, as you see right there. Let's spin around. We put some accents on the forks right there. Got those off eBay, guys. I'll drop a link. We're gonna swing around. You guys see that Rolling Sands air breather, of course, the Rolling Sands timing cover. We're gonna swing around and you see those bags that we touched up. Check it out. Looks crazy, man. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna show you from the rear. Then we're gonna swing down. You're gonna check out the dually Vance and Hines pipes right there that are shining on those tips, looking awesome. That rear that's looking mean back there, blacked out. Of course, I am really loving the detail work of the stripes that are coming out black. Really sets the bike off really nicely. Then we're gonna swing around on the other side, and I'm gonna pop into that primary. Guys, you see that Rolling Sands right there. Custom painted the bell horn, and you can just check out all the love right there. We have turned this bike into something crazy. Let me know what you think, but this is one of the hottest bikes on the street right now. Check it out. I'm gonna just give you some love one more time. I am so hyped up but you guys can see it. Crazy. I'm gonna jump on and get a ride in.
Yes, sir. It is time to do it up Big Vern style. It is time to get out here, dip and slip in these streets and show off this badass street glide that we just finished up. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join me on this ride. Appreciate you guys. All right, YouTube, it is time to go up. It is nothing like sitting on a badass bagger with all eyes on you. It is almost time for the summer. I hope you can feel the energy. I am about to dip in these streets. Join your boy. Let's go on this ride. Peace.
All right, fellas, welcome back. I am about to get that first ride on this sweet street glide that we just got finished with. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I am loving putting it together for you. Definitely let me know what you think about the build in the comments below. Also want to give a huge shout out to my man Glenn at Road King Mafia. Thanks for the gear, man. Man, it is badass. First start sounds great. All right, let's get this thing moving. All right, fellas. Hey, again, thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I got this badass bagger out here right now. Guys, I hope you're loving that gear from Road King Mafia, guys. That is awesome. How can you not have a bagger? How can you have a bagger and not have some sweet gear like that? Peace. All right, so here we go, fellas. Let's get this thing moving. First ride on the street glide. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Here we go. All right, fellas, so I am glad that this build is over. I am so excited. The sun is shining. I got on a t-shirt, a badass baggers Road King Mafia t-shirt, by the way. Don't forget, hit those guys up, man. Hey, but anyway, we are out on the road. Summertime is almost on its way back. It is time to dip in these streets. Let's go. Woo! This has got that Thunderman Pro tuner in it, guys. I hope you can feel that pickup right now. I'm feeling it, loving it. It is great to be back out here on a bike again. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, fellas. I'm gonna keep jamming you with as much great content as you can handle. Hey, gotta get out here and get this ride. Hey, this may be the last ride we're gonna get on this bike. It may be headed to New York City tomorrow. I've got a potential buyer on deck ready to go. So guys, enjoy the ride with me for today, because it could be the last. And even if it is the last, guys, I've got some great surprises coming for you this year. Wait till you see what we are gonna cop next. Oh, I'm feeling that curve right there. First curve of the summer. Let's go, baby. Woo! A lot of power in here, as you can see it. Woo! Love it. Got that Thunderman Pro tuner in here. It really gives it a pump. Telling you, fellas, if you're gonna do those bikes, make sure you do it right. Woo! Loving that pickup right there. Wow, loving that. Crazy out here. So sit back, relax, let's enjoy this ride. I just finished it today. Man, that bitch look good. Just finished it today. It's going to New York tomorrow. I sold it already. You put that bitch yeah. Say what up to my channel, Big Vern's Moto Life, man. Yeah, for sure, man. Always. I love that Raider right there, fellas. You see that Raider right there? I'm loving it. Got a lot of power in that. Yeah. All right, show these men something. Take off in that thing. Alright, that got some pop to it though, man. That got some pop to it right there. I love it, man. I had a blue one like that. right, fellas, hey, what you think about these Cholo style Paul Yaffe bars I got on here? You can see my stance is a little bit irregular, but it feels pretty comfortable. Loving it. I know that these guys, you guys on the West Coast, I know this is how you guys rock them with your handlebars. I actually kind of dig it. It's kind of cool, man. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As you can see, my stance is a little further back, but it's also comfortable because I'm at shoulder width still, which will keep you comfortable. So let me know what you think in the comments below about that. Loving the bike so far. A lot of torque, a lot of power. This has been a great build. I hope you guys are loving it and been watching the whole build of this thing. This thing is crazy and it looks sick.
Ooh-wee, I hope you are enjoying this ride as much as I am, and you can feel that energy dripping through those TV screens. Hey fellas, we are going into a new era of baggers. It is now not just about the looks, but it's about the performance now. Hey, special shout out to Harley Davidson and that Street Glide and Road Glide ST. Fellas, I've got this thing tuned up with those pipes and that Rolling Sands air cleaner. It's got a lot of punch. Let's sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video.
What is up? Welcome back. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great day and you are up and your day is going absolutely amazing. It is gonna be a great day. We are getting the bike ready. I've got a potential buyer coming from New York to grab the bike. We're gonna get it ready. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna get off to a good start. Let's go.
Meanwhile, I am getting this bike ready for prep and ready for the potential buyer. Just a quick word of advice to you. Never hold on to material objects. Life is always about change.
All right, fellas, now the bike is almost ready to go. I am getting it ready. I'm gonna go a walkthrough for you guys. Remember, I did a video a while back on how to sell your bike and how to get the best bottom dollar. I've got this bike prepped and ready for the buyer to show up. We're gonna give him an experience. He's gonna think he is at Harley Davidson picking up a new bike off the showroom floor. Come on, let me show you what I got. All right, fellas, so in order for you to sell your bike and get the best bottom dollar, one of my huge tips that I gave was to show the bike in the best light. Now you guys see I've got that spotlight right there if you can see it, and I will always stick that spotlight on there so it will highlight all of the improvements that we did to the bike, as well as make the bike look amazing. As you can see how that light reflects off the fairing, and that front paint job really shows that off, as well as the fender and the front wheels. And then I'm gonna jump down and you guys can just check that out. I am really digging. I am gonna miss that Harley Davidson cursive. You do not see that much on bikes. That is a great addition to this bike. So the owner, the new potential owner, is gonna get a great bike that's got a feature that not many bikes have. But as you can just see, man, listen, your boy got this bike looking absolutely amazing. Just check it out. So again, guys, when the potential buyer shows up, he's gonna see this bike. It's gonna look crazy. He's gonna really think that I made the right decision when he comes to pick the bike up. He's gonna be excited. Gonna be a great day. All right.
Once again, I gotta give a huge shout out to my man Glenn from Road King Mafia. Guys, check out this merch. It is sweet and I'm gonna definitely be rocking it. Hey, another thing, hate to see this bike go, but as I said earlier in the video, guys, never hold on to material objects. There is always something bigger and better out there in that world for you. All right, till next time, guys, keep those two wheels down.